अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर। लास्ट टाइम हमने चैप्टर नाइट्रोजन एंड सल्फ़र की एक्सरसाइज के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व किया था। आज हम चैप्टर 13 हेलोजेंस की एक्सरसाइज के MCQs सॉल्व करेंगे। तो डियर अगर किसी किस्म की कोई कन्फ्यूजन हो तो कमेंट लाजमी कीजिएगा, इंशाल्लाह मैं रिप्लाई करने की पूरी कोशिश करूँगा। तो चलते हैं आज के अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। फर्स्ट MCQs इज़ विच हेलोजन मॉलिक्यूल्स हैज़ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट बॉन्ड F2, Br2, I2 or Cl2. There, chlorine Cl2 has the strongest bond because it has the best atomic size for strong orbital overlap. F2 is weakened by lone pair repulsion and Br2, I2 have weak bonds due to large atomic size and poor overlap. So Cl2 is correct answer. Next is the volatility of the halogens. Group 17 generally dash as you move down the group from fluorine to iodine, increase, decrease, remain the same or fluctuate. Their volatility decreases down the group because the size and mass of halogen molecule increase, leading to stronger van der Waals forces between molecules. This makes them less volatile as you move from fluorine to iodine. So exact answer is decrease. Next is which one of the following halogen molecule has strongest oxidizing power? Br2, F2, I2 or Cl2? Their fluorine has the strongest oxidizing power because it has the highest electronegativity, smallest atomic size and strong tendency to gain electrons. This makes it the most powerful oxidizing agent among all halogens. So the exact answer is B. Next is the decreasing thermal stability of the halogens down the group is primarily due to increasing electronegativity of the atom, decreasing bond length between the halogen atoms, increasing atomic radius leading to a weaker covalent bond, and fourth is increasing strength of van der Waals forces. There, as we move down the group 17, the atomic size increases, which means the bond between halogen atoms becomes longer and weaker. This weaker bond is easier to break, so thermal stability decreases down the group. So exact answer is C option, increasing atomic radius leading to a weaker covalent bond. Next is which one of the following halides has the strongest reducing power? Fluoride, chloride, bromide or iodide ion. There, the reducing power of halide ion increased down the group. This is because larger ions like iodide lose electrons more easily compared to smaller ones like fluoride ion. So iodide ion is the strongest reducing agent among halide ion. So D option is correct. Next is which statement about the reactions between halogens and hydrogen is correct? First is iodine reacts most vigorously with hydrogen. Second is chlorine and hydrogen explode in darkness. Third is fluorine combines explosively with hydrogen even in cold and dark condition. And fourth is bromine and hydrogen do not react at all. There, fluorine is highly reactive and has the strongest oxidizing power among halogens. It reacts explosively with hydrogen even in cold and dark due to its strong tendency to gain electron. Other halogens like chlorine and bromine needs heat or light to initiate the reaction. So C option, fluorine combines explosively with hydrogen is correct. Next is how does the acidic strength of hydrogen halides changes as you move down the group? It remains constant. It decreases from HF to HI, it increases from HF to HI, or it fluctuates erratically. There, as we move down the group from HF to HI, the HX bond becomes weaker and easier to break. This makes it easier to release hydrogen ions, increasing the acidic strength. So HI is the strongest acid among hydrogen halide and HF is the weakest despite fluorine's high electronegativity. So C option, it increases from HF to HI is correct. Next is why is fluorine the most reactive halogen? First option is bond length in the halogen molecule. Second is bond strength in the halogen molecule. Third is electronegativity of the halogen. and fourth is number of electrons in the halogen molecule. There, fluorine is the most reactive halogen because it has the highest electronegativity of all elements. This means it attracts electrons very strongly, making it highly reactive in chemical reactions, especially in gaining electrons to form fluoride ion. So C option, electronegativity of the halogen, is correct answer of this statement. Next is, when aqueous silver nitrate is added to a solution containing bromide ion, a cream precipitate forms. What is the solubility of this precipitate in aqueous ammonia solution? Soluble in dilute ammonia solution. B is partially soluble in dilute ammonia solution. C is insoluble in dilute ammonia solution. And fourth is soluble only upon heating with ammonia. There, when AgNO3 is added to bromide ion, AgBr, silver bromide, forms as cream colored precipitate. AgBr is only partially soluble in dilute aqueous ammonia, unlike AgCl, which is fully soluble. This property helps distinguish halide ion in qualitative analysis. So B option, partially soluble in dilute ammonia, is correct. Next is, concentrated sulfuric acid is added to solid sodium chloride. What is the initial observation? Reddish brown fumes are evolved, a purple vapor is evolved, steamy white fumes of hydrogen chlorides are evolved, or a black solid is formed. There, when concentrated sulfuric acid is added to solid sodium chloride NaCl, it reacts to form hydrogen chloride gas. The HCl gas appear as steamy white fumes, which is the initial observable effect of the reaction. So steamy white fumes of hydrogen chlorides are evolved. That is correct answer of this question. डेयर ये थे चैप्टर हैलोजेंस की एक्सरसाइज के MCQs। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम इंशाल्लाह इसके शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और बेल आइकन ज़रूर प्रेस करें ताकि हर नई वीडियो की अपडेट सबसे पहले आपको मिले। वीडियो देखने का शुक्रिया। अल्लाह हाफिज़।